Okay. All right, guys. So some of this is easy, some of this is hard. So to begin with, I'm just going to remind us of some basic fractions. So if I have half and I want to add it to 2/3, what do I do? Right, let's have matching denominators. So what am I going to multiply this fraction by? And what am I multiplying this one by? Good. So what do I get? Okay, now that they match, I can add them together. So what do I get all together? 7/6. Good. Do I need to make this 1 1/6? Nah. So we're going to leave it like this. So the more we go through maths, the more we like improper fractions. Okay, so just leave it like this. That's fine. But what if I add in letters? What if we add in some algebra? So let's do a relatively easy one. Okay, so I need to do the same thing here. I'm going to multiply this by what? 4. And multiply this by. Okay, so what do I get?
4x.
Yep. Okay, how do I put them together? That's exactly right. Okay, am I done? Can I simplify this or am I done? Yeah. How do I simplify it? Okay, because so if I'm going to simplify, it has to be common to every term. All of these have 2 in common. So I can divide everything by 2. I can't just divide some bits. It's got to be all of it. So I can have 2x plus 3y over 6. That would be my final answer. Okay. Save that. All right, let's make it more complicated with letters on the bottom this time. All right, so what if I have, let's pick something from here. What do I want to do? Let's do this one. Oops. Oh yeah, no, let's do it. No, let's not do it like that. Okay, now I've got letters on the bottom and the top. So I need to make my denominators match again. So what am I going to multiply by? Okay, so I'm multiplying this one by 4, this one by 3, and that should make my bottoms match. So what does this one become? And this one? Okay, so then what do I get all together? Okay, how do I simplify this? I can't. That is correct. There's nothing that they all have in common. All right, let's do something worse. Let's do something that looks, actually, what I'm going to do is just, I think I might need more of the page. All right, I'm going to do this. It is so easy, is it? All right. So this is more complicated. What do I need to do? Okay, I'm not going to expand my brackets at the moment. I'm just going to worry about the bottom parts of my fractions. So what do I need to multiply this fraction by? 9y. Good. And what do I need to multiply this by? Just 7. Okay. That way the bottoms will match. So if I multiply this by 9y, what does the top look like? 27y, we're multiplying it by 9y. And then the bottom looks like? Good, 63y squared. All right, same thing. What does the top of this look like? 14. And then down the bottom, 63y squared. All right. Now think about what's going on here. You can treat this like a term. So if I have 27, oh, actually that's going to be more problematic, isn't it? Yeah, okay. All right, what am I doing? Sorry. People are talking quietly and I can't quite hear what they're suggesting. Expand my brackets. Is that what I want to do? I can do that if I want.
27y(x) squared minus.
Okay, 27y(x) squared. Okay, first of all, I should not write it like that. Why should I not write it like that? Alphabetical order, good. So x squared y minus 27y minus, what goes here?
3x minus.
Incorrect. Plus 14. This is negative 14 and negative 1. All right, good. Then I have 63y squared. All right, do I have like terms I can put together? I don't. So what should I do from here?
Yeah. So
How do I simplify?
No, that's really right.
There's nothing I can do, right? There's nothing that's common to everything, nor is there anything I can put together. This is just a horribly complicated answer, okay? Ta-da, we're going to leave it like that. We don't love it, but that's what it looks like. Okay, what if I have, let's do one more example. I'm going to do an example when there's brackets on the bottom. Okay, what if I have, did I ask you to do that one? No, all right, we're going to do this one.
Did you get it?
All right, what if I have something like this? What am I going to do to it? No, I'm not going to expand. If they give things to you in brackets, never expand them for questions like this. It makes your life much harder.
You multiply both sides by x. X times 3x.
Good. I'm just going to multiply this side by x plus 3. Right? So this one gets x plus 3. Then the denominators will match. I don't need to touch this at all. So now I have x plus 3 over x plus 2, x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 2, x plus 3. So then what does my top look like? X plus what? 2, because this is 3 minus 1. And then I've got x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, I can think of this as a set of brackets. So then I end up with 1 over x plus 3. Right? Ta-da! That's my answer. All right. Today we're doing 14.14, which is the last exercise, and it's not that long. So when you inevitably finish early, you can start on the examination practice.